Hi friends, Teacher Nicole here. Since yesterday was Earth Day, I thought I'd read a book called Planet Earth. All about the Earth. Things can live on Earth because it has the right mixture of heat, air, and water. The sun keeps our planet warm. Living things like people, animals, and plants all need air to breathe. Over half of the earth is covered in water. All living things need water to stay alive. In the middle of our earth is called the core. It is very, very hot there. Around the core is called the mantle. The rocks there are hot too, and they are slightly squishy. The mantle is covered by a thin layer of rocks called the crust. This is where we live. The earth is always moving. In this picture, it's an earthquake. The roads came up with a whole bunch of dirt. There's even earthquakes on the moon. These are called moonquakes. Mountain high. The crust moves and slowly pushes some of the land up into a tall, rocky mountain. It takes millions of years to make a mountain, and they're always growing. There's also volcanoes on our planet. Here's a volcano erupting, and this is the hot lava coming out of them. Rocks around the world. There's 3 types of rocks: metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary. Jewels such as diamonds, rubies, and emeralds are found inside of rocks. Running rivers. When it rains or snows on the mountains, the hard rocks cannot soak up the water. The water trickles down from the high grounds into small streams, all right here. Lots of streams join together and make a big river. A fast-flowing river picks up lots of stones and pebbles from the riverbed and drops some of the heavier ones, but still continuing to carry the little ones. As the river gets near to the ocean, it slows down. Wearing away. Rivers change the shape of the land as they flow over it. So here's a little one, and then it got bigger and wider. Right here, it gets deeper. This is the Grand Canyon. It started off like this, and then just got bigger and bigger and bigger. It took millions of years, though. And we have underwater caves. These are rivers that are under the water that break up the rocks. And you see rocks like hanging from the ceiling. Cold as ice. Some of the Earth's water stays frozen as ice for most of the year. Antarctica is the coldest place in the world. There's penguins live there and seals live there. Here's the coast. It's like the beach. The sand that you find at the beach is broken shells and rocks. Deep water. Oceans and seas cover more than half of our earth. Many different things live there. We've got sharks and stingrays, a whole bunch of fish, a whale, squids. And here's a submarine. Scientists go into submarines to see what's under the ocean. Dusty deserts. Deserts are the driest places on Earth. Very little rain falls, and the land is dry and dusty. That's usually where camels live. Our extraordinary Earth. Here's all of our Earth right here with all the continents like I have right here. It's the same picture. The end. Bye, guys.